Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to process reimbursement payment after approval. Once the finance manager approves the reimbursement claims, the next step is to process the payment. This can be done along with payroll or outside payroll. Along with payroll, post approval of the claims, HR or admin need to process the payroll, and the approved claims will reflect under the Pay Adjustment tab in Run Payroll. You can process the same in that month's payroll in the Run Payroll process. To process the reimbursement payment outside payroll, click Transactions. Click Reimbursement under Spend Loan Management. Click Process Reimbursement under Workflow. Select the date, that is a from and the to date, for which you want to process the reimbursement payment. Select the transfer type. It could be either bank transfer or cash. You can select employees depending on the criteria or select all employees. The list of employees for whom the reimbursement has to be paid will be displayed. Click Save and click Apply. You will get the message paid successfully to the selected employees. You can also view the claim status under Workflow. Select the date range. You can select the following from the drop-down, that is the project, expense head, cost center, or you can select for a specific employee. Click View. And the report is displayed. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.